Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and very sparkly Lippan art gift box which is made using waste tape roll. Yes, the base is the tape roll and I have converted this into beautiful Lippan art gift box. And can you see this? The base, the lid, everything is handmade and it's looking absolutely gorgeous. So let's get started. So here is my tape roll base. The diameter is 8 centimeters and height is approx 5 centimeters. Now I am going to make the base for this roll, and for this I have prepared some circle punch which is also having 8 centimeter diameter, and I have total added 6 to 7 layers of the circle to make nice sturdy base. So now I am going to stick the base with the roll. Burnishing it very well, and this is done. Now to make lid, I am taking here 10 mm strip. You can use any color because anyways we are going to color it later, and I am joining total 10 strips together and then wrapping the strip around the base box, making the ring. Now pulling it out slowly from the box and start wrapping the remaining strip around this ring. So the big ring is ready, securing the end using glue. And this is done. Now I have prepared one more bunch of white color cardstocks of 8.8 centimeter diameter circle, and again I have added 8 to 10 layers. Now I am going to stick this circle with the ring. Just putting it on top of the box so that it will get nice circular shape, and this is done. Allow it to dry for some time. Now I'm just coloring whole box from outside using white chalk paint. So I have colored it from inside and outside using white chalk paint, and then using aqua blue color chalk paint and coloring only from the center side. Also coloring the center part of the lid, and the beautiful box is ready. After coloring, it is looking like more finished, and from outer side I have used only white color because we are going to do Lippan art on top of this. So now here I am taking Fevicryl molded clay, and this pack contains these two type of packets, which is hardener and the clay. So you just need to mix both the mixtures in equal quantity and mix it very well. Take little talcum powder on the base and little bit of clay and roll it on the base and create the long pipe. So the long pipe is ready. Now taking back my box, and in the base of the box I'm just adding little glue, and then I will connect the clay pipe. Like this. Then taking my palette knife and creating some texture on this, I'm creating some diagonal texture lines. Don't push it very deeply, just a slight cut to create the pattern on the clay pipe. And this is done. It's looking beautiful. Now to create the next marking, I am taking here one more 10 mm strip, just round it around the box exactly in the center, and then using my pencil I am creating one line. So the exact marking is done. Then I am just marking on the equal interval using the pencil. And on this center line also I have added one more clay pipe and created the same texture. Then to create the leaf pattern, here I am taking small piece of pipe of the clay, just fold this from the center, pinch it on the top and make nice leaf shape like this. Similarly I will prepare some more. Then taking back my box, and in the bottom I am just attaching these leaf patterns. Similarly complete this on whole base, and after adding this it will look like this. And I have created one more pipeline on the top of the box. Remember, you have to attach this row after the lid is closed. And now I am creating the same diagonal pattern on this as well. Now taking my lid, and on the edge of the lid also I have added the clay row, and this time I am making the texture in the straight line, not diagonally. So using the same palette knife I am creating the straight texture. Like this, similarly completing it. Then I am taking small pipes again and just adding these pipes on total 8 parts. Now I'm adding the inner circle and creating the clay line on this. Similarly, I will make one more line inside this. So this is done. Now I'm taking one small piece of clay and making the drop shape like this. Similarly, I have prepared total 8 drops. So I'm just sticking these drops between each slot. And this is done, and our clay work is also done. Now it's time to color everything. So before starting with the color and mirror work, I am going to color everything, including the clay part, including the base. I am just coloring it using chalk paint in white color. And now it's time to color this. So inside these leaves I am using aqua blue color chalk paint again and just filling this. Do it using small brush and very carefully. And on top portion I am adding yellow chalk paint. Also coloring this ring on which our lid will come. And for the middle portion I am using pink chalk paint. Similarly, I have colored the lid also using same colors. Now it's time to do the mirror work. So inside these leaf shapes, I am attaching some circle mirrors, and on top I am going to add some triangle mirrors. Similarly completing this, and on the lid, first in the corner I am adding some small circle mirrors, and on both the sides of the teardrop shape I am adding leaf shape mirror. like this. So this is done. Now inside the middle circle I am adding square shaped mirrors. And exactly in the center I am adding big size mirror. So the base and the lid is ready and it's looking absolutely gorgeous and very attractive. You can put any jewelry or chocolates or candles, anything inside the box. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions eagerly. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.